Gadsden State is excited to introduce the Cardinal Promise, a new way to make college more affordable with 50 to 75% off tuition for qualifying students. Along with the Cardinal Promise, there are many other scholarship opportunities available. In this video, we'll walk you through how to apply. Be sure to complete your application by March 1st. First, head to the Gadsden State homepage at gadsdenstate.edu. Once you're there, click the Apply button in the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and select Apply Now. Next, you'll create your account. Click Create New User Account, then enter your first name, last name, and personal email address. Be sure to check the box confirming that you are not a robot, then click Submit. After submitting, check the email inbox you used to sign in. You'll receive an email with a link to reset your password and begin the admissions process. Click the link, create your password, and be sure to write it down so you don't forget it. Once your password is set, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, we can begin your application. Select Application in Events, and then click the blue button that says Start a New Application. Scroll down and choose your student type, enter your high school information, and select the term you plan to start. Be sure to check the dates listed beside each term so you know when classes begin. When everything looks correct, click Start Application. Now it's time to enter your personal information by answering these questions on the screen. This will include details like your birthday, home address, phone number, additional information, and the degree or program you're interested in majoring. Don't worry, this information helps us get to know you and make sure you're set up for the right academic path. Take your time and double check that everything is entered correctly before moving on. When you reach the residency section, slow down and read each question carefully. Your answers here are important because they determine whether you qualify for in-state tuition. If you're not sure how to answer a question, that's okay, we're here to help. Just reach out to us at admissions@gadsdenstate.edu and we'll be happy to guide you. As you continue through the application, make sure all information is accurate and complete. When finished, your application should show 99% complete on the right. On the left side of the screen, you'll have the option to review your application and make any final changes before submitting. When you're ready to submit, you'll need to verify your application by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them. Check the box, sign your name, and then select Verify and Submit. After submission, you'll see a confirmation page letting you know your application was successfully submitted. That's it. Great job completing your Gadsden State application for admissions. Click Return Home to go back to your dashboard where you can track your application status and access additional next steps. First, head to the Gadsden State homepage at gadsdenstate.edu. From there, hover over the Admissions and Aid tab and select Scholarships. Scroll down and click Scholarship Application. You'll log in using your alabama.edu email. This is the email you received after completing your application for admission, so make sure that step is done before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your scholarship dashboard. Here you can start a new application or pick up right where you left off. To begin, simply click on the scholarship you want to apply for. Before you get started, take a moment to review the important instructions at the top of the page. Then work your way through each section at your own pace. There's no rush and you don't have to complete everything in one sitting. Your student information, including your name and Gadsden State email, should auto-populate for you. Next, you'll move on to the high school information section. This is where you'll enter your GPA, upload your transcript and ACT score, and share your high school activities, community involvement, volunteer work, honors, and leadership roles. Be sure to describe what you did, your role, and how you made an impact. And remember, no experience is too small. Leadership and service come in many forms and every contribution matters. As you go, don't forget to click Save often so your progress is never lost. Next, you'll indicate whether you've completed the FAFSA. This is an important step that helps ensure you're considered for the maximum amount of financial assistance available. After that, select your intended major or field of study from the pick list. Choosing the most accurate option helps us match you with the scholarships that best fit your goals. When you click Next Page, you'll be guided through a few additional sections based on your GPA. Just complete the required fields, then take a moment to read through the acknowledgement section before moving on. Prior to submitting, take a final look at your responses for spelling and clarity. This is a great time to ask a teacher, counselor, or trusted mentor to review your application. When you're ready, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your scholarship application was successfully submitted. That's it. Great job completing your Gadsden State Scholarship application. Be sure to check your email for updates, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need help. We're here to support you every step of the way.